Hey folks, for many years our staff have been asking for a coffee machine in the office, and we finally made it happen. But of course, we approached it the same way we approach everything in our factory, with the goal of making it simple, intuitive, and always kept in a premium state. The first thing we did was appointed one person as the ultimate owner of the station. This doesn't mean that others can ignore the standards, but there's always someone accountable. Next, we added SOPs for how to operate the machine and another one for how to leave the area in a better state. The machine also has a QR code for cleaning instructions, giving standardized guidance at the point of use. All these yellow labels we call crumb trails, and they show us exactly where to restock items. Blue labels indicate that stock is replenished just in time by pulling a Kanban card. Syrups, sugars, and teas, they sit in a custom 3D printed container. When we designed the storage area, we included easy Kanban storage slots so that they sit neatly behind products. Drawers have a home for everything, and even the milk has a square in the fridge so that we always know which container is open, avoiding waste. The cleaning tools and the takeout trays are labeled and stored in their dedicated spots, and everything follows this lean principle: a place for everything and everything in its place. The end result is a coffee station that's easy to maintain and that reflects a premium lean culture, only in miniature. It also shows how operational excellence isn't just for the factory floor, but can work in every corner of the workplace. Thanks so much.